Yeah, fam, we back. What's good, fam? We in this thing. I told y'all, baby, last video, if you don't know what I'm talking about and you new here, you need to go and hit the notification bell off it. Just go and hit it and hit the subscribe button and join the fam. Because you'll know what I'm talking about. Because we here, baby. We not deadheaded to Tulsa. And we finna pick this load up. Now, all the day one fams, I know everybody has a busy life. And you might have missed the last video. Might not know what's going on. But fam, that means you ain't hit the notification bell as well. I know when I got that notification bell on, it pops up on my phone. If you ain't got it, you need to go and turn notification on your phone as well. So when you know when your boy out here moving. But yeah, baby, we here. Just pulled up to the shipper. Before I could even get out, the gentleman came up to me, nice, cool dude, was like, hey, you look like you're going to Gersmere, Louisiana. I said, oh, yeah, that's me. He said, I already know what you're here for. He said, let me take care of this truck, and I got you. I was like, that's what I call expedited service. We gonna get your cargo there, but I like service when it's good like that. But nah, man, I'm about to sit here for a quick second, wait for him to get me loaded. Once he get me loaded, you already know where we going. Last video I told you, I just told you now, we heading to the boot, baby. But it's the weekend. So you know this is that special pick up on Friday, drop off on Monday to get the money started for the week. Yes, fam, yeah. We finna get this load right here. And then we gonna go head on to the house. Don't worry, we're gonna talk about the miles because I'm not going straight there. I'm gonna make a little small detour, go hang out with the fam. But nah, let me go ahead and sit here right quick. And again, top of the morning to you. And we gonna go and get this load, baby, and I'm gonna pick you back up. Give me just a second. That's a little bitty thing.
Yeah, it's not real big.
Just a little bit. Not much, just a little bit. Good right there. And just like that, we are loaded, fam. This load here is in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Now, we're supposed to be driving 602 miles to Gersmere, Louisiana. But you already know that ain't happening, baby. I already told you. This is the Friday load. Pick up Friday, drop off Monday. Remember, we didn't get this right a couple times as we started our cargo van journey. But if you notice, your boy been getting pretty good at this lately. Because this is habit stacking, getting in the habit. This is one of the ones like I might mess up some loads throughout the week. I might miss out on some, I won't even say miss out. The loads wasn't there because them wasn't our loads. When God gives us the loads, we get them. But we've been getting real good at this habit stacking, getting that load drop, pick up on Friday, drop off on Monday. This one just happens to be going 602 miles from Tulsa, Oklahoma to Gersmere, Louisiana. I hope I'm saying that right. From the people in the boot, drop down in the comments if I'm saying it wrong. And if I'm saying it wrong, y'all know how that thing do when you put it in quotations and like put the pronunciation with the dashes. Do it for your boy. You know, sometimes I don't get this pronunciation right, but hey, I still love the boot. I still love y'all. That's like one of my second homes. But yeah, baby, it's time to get up out of here. It says 602 miles, but we not going there. We finna head to the house, cause, and those for you that don't know where this location is, it's over there like going towards New Orleans. So, you know, we've been to New Orleans. We've been all down I-10. I-10 is like our friend now at this point. So yeah, we finna head down to the H, baby, spend the weekend with the fam. Got a matter of fact, got to do a little celebrating. Got a little birthday boy coming up. Got to take care of him because, hey, we're going to be out next week. We're going to get this thing started. But nah, fam, we finna get the rolling. Don't worry, I might show you a little bit of the drive. It ain't much to see. You know what? I might show you once we get up like through Oklahoma as we entering into Texas because y'all not been to Dallas with me a bunch. Between Dallas and Houston, y'all know that road very well. So yeah, as we get to going in there, I might show you a little something before we get in. But if I don't, baby, just know I'm going to pick you up, let's see, Sunday in the middle of the night, early Monday morning. Yeah, because we gonna do some night driving in the middle of the night to get this thing there on time Monday morning. But now that's enough talk for me, baby. I'm about to go hit this slab so I can get home to the fam and enjoy some time with them. I'll pick y'all up in a little bit. Yeah, fam, it's time to go get it. Yeah, baby, it is early Monday morning. Sunday night, depends on who you ask. Just know it's the middle of the night. Right now it is 1:20 a.m. and it's time to go get it. Now I realize some of y'all about to go to sleep. Some of y'all just gonna stay up all night and be tired when you get to work tomorrow like I used to do. Sometimes at 2, 3, 4 in the morning, knowing you gotta get up for 6, 6:30. But don't worry, we ain't even gonna talk. I ain't gonna snitch on you. But hey, it's time to go and get it, baby. Cause this lifestyle ain't for everybody. It ain't for everybody. But for your boy, we go and get that bag. But yeah, baby, recap, picked up in Tulsa. Going to Geismar, Louisiana. Even the house now. 288 miles. Nothing to it but to do it. But I'm about to get up this road, baby, because they say I can drop off at 6 a.m. We gon' see. Hopefully somebody there. Because, man, remember, that place, it's close to New Orleans, but it's kind of like not around the major areas where shipping is at. So I got to get there, drop it off at 6. Check that board real fast, and then skedaddle wherever I got to go and get back to the major city, which might be Houston, because everything else around major is like, might as well go back to. Don't worry, I'll explain that on the other end. Let's just get to going. Yeah, y'all not did this ride down I-10 a bunch of times with me. But don't worry, if I see something interesting on the way, because it's night riding, baby, I'm going to pick you up so you can see it with me. But it should be smooth sailing. We already prayed about this ride, baby. We gonna get there through God's traveling grace and mercy and safety. But yeah, baby, let's hit this road. I'll pick you up and tap in with you in just a second. We find out where I gotta drop this off at. And I'm gonna let you know, because that drive was crazy. I'll be right back with you. You're good. Yep, you can keep going. Yep, you still good. Yep, you yeah. Yep, you good. Thank you so much. You have a blessed one. Yeah, fam, just like that, as usual, Mr. Get It There strikes again, and we finito, baby. We are done. This load is complete. Paperwork has already been submitted. It's just 6:30 in the morning, so it's time to get busy. Man, that was real easy. You know how it is. Pick up on Friday, drop off on Monday to get the week started, and they started your boy off good, baby. $1.25 a mile. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know y'all like them numbers, y'all. We like the dollar, but when them $1.25s hit, we in this thing, baby. You know we left out of Tulsa, Oklahoma, going to Geismar, Louisiana. I might be saying that wrong. All my boot people from the boot, please forgive me. Y'all know us. We over here in Texas, man. I can't get all the cities right in Louisiana. Y'all got some city names, and if you don't know how to pronounce them correctly, you're gonna sound crazy, and I probably sound crazy. But hey, it was fun coming to the boot, baby. Yep. 601 miles for the 750. Yep, 750 to start the week. And that's how I like to get it done. But man, that was a crazy drive, man. I know you've seen it. I left the house and all the way here, nothing but fog. Fog the whole way here. I'm talking about, we talk about walking by faith, not by sight. Boy, we was driving by faith, not by sight. Your boy, that's why you pray for you go. Make sure you talk to your boy. Because God took care of us on that one. I'm talking about you couldn't see no more than probably like 15, 20 feet in front of you at most of the ride. So yeah, I'm glad this was I-10 because it's normally just a straight shot. I was looking at that GPS, making sure I knew when them curves was coming and we was going straight. But yeah, we drove by faith today, baby. I told you, man. This is a lifestyle. You got to be ready for any and everything on this road. It ain't like, don't get me wrong, it ain't about entrepreneurship. It ain't about working for nobody else. This ain't like a 9 to 5. Yeah, we like the money. It's like a job, but to be in this game, it's a lifestyle, and you got to be ready for that lifestyle. If you're just looking for this thing to be just some quick money or a paycheck or something like that, like somebody would at a 9 to 5, it ain't the same. This is a different lifestyle. You see us, baby. Sometimes we leave in the middle of the night. Sometimes we drive long hours. Sometimes it's short. Sometimes it's fast. The rate changes. It ain't a steady like $1.25 like today, because boy, $1.25 every load would be great. It's a lifestyle, man. You got to be accustomed to it or get accustomed to it. That's why I tell y'all, don't just watch this channel. I'm not a hoarder over here. If I find somebody's channel that does something that provides good information, I'll let you know, but you still got to do your research. Watch other YouTubers, man, because they out there. There's some good ones. Then there's those ones that's going to complain like normal. I come to realize, this is just my opinion, I believe the people that do all the complaining about every single thing, I mean everything, we all human, we gonna complain a little bit, but the ones that always nitpick everything, that's the ones I believe came in here thinking it was just a regular job. They aren't accustomed to this lifestyle. And it don't just require the OTR, local, regional, this could be gig apps. It can be anything that involves getting out here grinding and getting it in this cargo van, box truck, 18-wheeler, whatever it is. Now, granted, I know the rates change and fluctuate. Some people mad about it because the rates don't look like they did during COVID. Those people might not have did research to know that the rates look now like they did in 2019, 2018. As a matter of fact, if you did the research. If not, I'm going to give you a little game. Around 2017, 2018, that's when rates got to what they are right now. When they got to that $1 something a mile for us, like $1.80. We talked about the rates for every single vehicle a few videos back. And that was the rates then. And that was actually a raise around 2017 or something like that. Because before then, they were getting less than that. Like a Sprinter wasn't getting all that back in like the early 2010s and all that. But hey, the rates now changed to what they was kind of pre-COVID, pre-pandemic. But yeah, you got to know that stuff. But then again, you don't do the research, you might not be ready for this lifestyle. But it's like anything else, man. You see them people that go to the gym and work out and they post their content and that's their job. That's their lifestyle. We all admire them like, man, I wish I could go to the gym like that, especially your boy. Like, it's a lifestyle, like content creation. You see them people, I don't know how they find the time getting all the angles, the poses, making stuff move around. It's a lifestyle. You got to be dedicated to it if that's what you want to do. And the same applies to this. Because like I said, long days, long hours, sometimes not good pay according to what you perceive as good pay. I think it's all good, but that's only if you know your CPM. You don't know what I'm talking about. You got to go back and watch the CPM video. Make sense. But yeah, baby, this video is done. Now I not talk too much because now it's 6:37. It's time to go. It's time to go. I got to get up out this thing. I told y'all we dead head normally to the closest city because New Orleans right here. I'm gonna check the board. If it ain't nothing right here, I got to start heading back to Houston because if it don't nothing pop off, I'd rather be back at the house versus driving because you know it's closer cities. Like you can go to Shreveport, I can go find Mobile, I can go to all them places. That's just put me farther away from the house, and if I don't find nothing, there ain't gonna be nothing there. So yeah, I'm finna watch this load board, start working my way back towards Houston. Something pop, don't worry, baby, you gonna know because I always tell you first. But hey, it's time to get it, baby. It's Monday. What this week got in store for us? Because it's time to run that bag up. And fam, best believe, it's always, I want you to get the bag. New family members, you just not watching for the first time, go hit the like button. Go hit the subscribe button. Come on over here. Because we have fun and I'm going to keep it real as I can be, baby. All my day ones. I'm always going to show love to y'all. All my day ones. And the new people, new family members, come on. All y'all hit the like button. All y'all hit the new one, subscribe button. Everybody hit the share button. And best of all, hit the notification button because your boy finna get to moving. I don't know what this week got in store. I'm like, Hey, you know me and my boy Guy. Hey, I'm finna drive by faith, baby, and not by sight. And wherever the wind blows and he takes me, that's where your boy go. But as always, fam, I want you out there getting that bag, baby. Get the bag first. Let's get the bag. And then I'm finna go out here and find another bag. But as for this one, this video, this load right here, we finito. We done. And it's time to get moving. And it's starting this new week. So for this week and until the next video drops, you know what I want you to do. I want you to stay blessed, baby.